Hello, welcome. So today I'll be making a Jollof fried rice. So right now I have some mix of onion, green pepper, mini sweet pepper, and then I have the leaf of the onions, and I have some cilantro that we're gonna blend right now. We're just gonna add or mix. The other half, and I'll tell you guys what I'm gonna do with the other half. Right now I have some clean tomato here. So right now we're gonna add the tomato. Now the vegetable are cooked. I'm gonna just remove all the vegetable and put on the side. I have like 4 cups of rice wash. I wash it like a couple of times, and then I put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Now, as you can see, the water past the rice. 30 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. The sausage or so the Jollof rice, fried rice is done, and it looks so good. It's not too cooked, because if it's too cooked, it will be like mashed potato.